Okay, and the last two examples are when you have two tangents. So when you have two tangents, it's the same because they are creating an angle on the outside. So similar situation as before. The difference here is, you know, in this problem that the inside arc is x. However, you don't know what the outside arc is, or you don't have an expression yet. That outside arc is going to be the whole circle minus the arc you know, which is x. So if we know the angle is created outside, we're going to say that angle, 50, is equal to 1/2 the larger arc, which is 360 minus x, and then subtract, because it was created outside, subtract the smaller arc of x. All I'm going to do is clean this up on the inside. I'm going to combine like terms. You get 2x. You can distribute the 1/2 and not create fractions, or you can multiply both sides by 2. Either way is perfectly fine. If I subtract 180 from both sides, I get 130, and it's negative. And then x is going to be 130. So if this is 130, this would have to be 230, and 230 minus 130 is 100, and when you divide it by 2, you get the 50 that you wanted. All right, similar situation here. We have this arc, that's the major arc, to be x. What we don't know is what this yellow one is on the inside. And we're going to call that, or maybe we should just make it the green one, sorry. We're going to call that green one 360 minus the arc we know of x. And we're going to do a similar situation. We know the angle that was formed outside is 41. It's going to be equal to 1/2 the big arc minus the smaller arc. But the smaller arc is a binomial, so you have to put it in parentheses and subtract it, because it's a binomial. You're subtracting the whole thing, not just the 360 part. So cleaning this up is going to just be a little bit more work. It's like you're going to have to distribute that negative inside the parentheses. Then we're going to combine like terms. Oops, helps if I distribute right. A negative times a negative is a positive. And again, here I can distribute and not get any fractions, or to show you the other way, I can multiply both sides by 2. You'll get the same answer either way. This will be 82 equals 2x minus 360. Then you're going to add 360 to both sides. Is that 442, you think? I think so. Then you're going to divide by 2 and get 221 equals x. So if this was 221, that would force this to be 100, I don't know, 49, you think? Nope. 139? I don't know. We'll see. 221 minus 139 is 82. And when you divide it by 2, you get 41. All right. Looking good? All right. Hope you guys are having a great day. This is the last video, and then you have a Google form to do. I hope you're watching the videos. I guess if you're listening to me now, you are. Some of your classmates, not so much. All right, guys. Have a great day.